Welcome to the today's e-commerce and digital marketing lecture. In this session, we will discover SEO search engine optimization, learn how SEO helps your content get discovered by the right audience and ranks higher to search engines. User experience and mobile optimization, explore why a smooth mobile friendly experience is crucial in today's digital fast world. Then Google search algorithm and key ranking factors, understand how Google ranks content and what factors matter most. Finally, content quality and SEO best practices, discover what makes content both engaging and optimized for search visibility. And finally, future trends in digital marketing, stay ahead with the insight into emerging trends that will shape the industry. So let's take a closer look at each of these to see how they work together to power up your digital marketing strategy. SEO, search engine optimization. SEO is the process of improving a website's visibility in search engine result pages. This includes optimizing on-page elements like content, meta tags, and images, as well as off-page factors like backlinks. Importance: uh, unpaid, unlike paid ads, SEO builds long-term visibility and credibility, often leading to sustained traffic growth without ongoing ad spend. A blog targeting keywords related to digital marketing can rank on the first page of Google's. SEO is critical to online success because most users don't scroll past the few pages of search results. By optimizing your content and technical elements, you can rank higher and drive valuable traffic to your site. For example, if you run a blog on digital marketing, ranking for key terms in this space will bring in users actively searching for this information. PPC, pay per click, a paid advertising model where businesses bid on keyword and pay each time a user clicks on their ad. Immediate visibility, PPC offers instant visibility by placing ads directly in front of user actively searching for related products or services. This is especially beneficial for new businesses or those launching new product, as they can gain exposure without waiting for organic search ranking. Targeting traffic with PPC, advertiser can target their campaigns to reach users who are the most likely to convert. For example, if a shoe retailer bids on buy running shoes, their ad will be shown to users specifically looking to purchase running shoes, increasing the chances of conversions. Measurable results. One of the key advantages of PPC is the ability to measure and analyze campaign performance in real time. This data enables advertisers to see which keywords are performing well and make necessary adjustments to optimize their campaign for better results. Example is here for the running shoes. If a shoe retailer bids on the keyword buy running shoes, they can appear at the top of the search results. If they receive hundreds clicks at the rate of $2, their total cost would be $200. If 10 of those clicks convert into sales worth $1,000, the retailer achieves a strong return on investment. Conversion rate. The conversion rate is the percentage of visitors who complete a desired action on a website, such as making purchase, signing up, or filling out a form. The conversion rate is a key indicator for the effectiveness of your website and marketing campaign. A high conversion rate signifies that your site or campaign successfully engage users and encouraging them to take action. Reflect marketing effectiveness. The conversion rate tells us how effectively our marketing efforts are performing. By measuring this rate, we can see whether our ads, calls to action, and website design are compelling enough to encourage visitors to take action. A high conversion rate typically signals successful engagement with the target audience. Effective revenue growth. Increasing conversion rate can drive revenue without requiring more traffic. By focusing on user experience improvement and creating targeted calls to action, we encourage more visitors to complete the desired action, directly impacting revenue and overall campaign success. Example, visitors come to your website and make a purchase, and then conversion rate equal to number of conversion divided by total visitors and multiply by 100. So make purchases. Tracking this metric help us understand how well we are achieving our goals and highlighting areas where we might optimize to improve results. Click-through rate (CTR) is an essential indicator of an ad or link relevance, effectiveness, and audience appeal. A high CTR typically suggests that your content resonate with viewers, helping your assess and improving your marketing strategy. Reflect relevance and engagement. CTR is a measure of how engaged and relevant your ad or link is to the audience. A high CTR indicates that users are interested enough to click, which usually means that targeting visuals and messaging are resonating well with them. Improving campaign efficiency. Or higher CTR can improve the efficiency of your campaigns by drawing in more engaged users, which often means higher quality leads. On platforms like Google Ads, a strong CTR can lead to improved ad placement and even lower cost over time. Example, 50 clicks, number of clicks divided by total impressions, multiply by hundreds. So 1000 times and get 50 clicks. It achieves a 5% CTR. The metric helps us understand how well our message is connecting with audience and if adjustment to the content or targeting are needed. Bounce rate. Bounce rate is the percentage of visitors who leave your site after viewing only one page without interacting with other parts of the website. A high bounce rate can signal potential issue with your website, such as content relevance. If visitors don't find the information they expected, they are likely to leave. User experience. Poor navigation or confusing layout can prompt user to exit. Site performance. Slow load times can also drive visitors away quickly. Indicate user experience and content relevance. Bounce rate measures how many visitors leave after viewing just one page. A high bounce rate often points to issue with content relevance or user experience. User may exit if they don't find the information they expected or if the navigation is unclear, signaling a need to refine our content and improve usability. Effective site performance. Site performance is crucial in keeping users engaged. Slow load speed can lead to high bounce rate as users tend to leave if pages take too long time to load. Improving site speed can therefore play a big role in reducing bounce rate. Solution. To reduce bounce rate, focus on improving content relevance, ensure the content align with the user expectation, enhance navigation, make it easier for user to find what they need, boosting site speed, optimizing load time to keep user engaged. Lowering bounce rate is essential for retaining visitor. We can achieve this by making sure our content meets user expectation, streamlining navigation for better user flow, and optimizing site speed to create a smoother browsing experience. Landing pages. Landing pages are vital for improving conversion rates by guiding user toward a single focus action. Increase focus and conversion rate. Leading pages are designed to focus the user's attention And one action such as signaling up for a newsletter or downloading an ebook by removing unnecessary links or distractions. This singular focus helps increase conversion as it directs user toward the desired outcome with minimum interference. Optimize for campaign success. Landing pages are often customized to match the specific goal of a marketing campaign, enhancing their relevance to the audience and encouraging immediate engagement. By aligning this page design and content with campaign goals, business can maximize their return on marketing efforts. Example to download free handbooks, a landing page offering a free download ebooks might include the single call to action button like download your free ebooks. By keeping this page simple and focus on one action, we increase likelihood of users completing the download, enhancing the effectiveness of our campaign. Analytics Analytics allows marketer to understand how users interact with their website, evaluate the effectiveness of their campaign, and refine strategy based on real data. Provide insight into user behavior. Analytic tools are essential for understanding user behavior by seeing which page user visit most frequently or where they exist. We gain insight into what's working and what is not, allowing us to make precise adjustment to enhance the user experience and retention. Optimize marketing strategy. With analytics, we can evaluate metrics like conversions, bounce rate, and traffic, enabling us to refine the optimize our marketing strategies over time. Data-driven insights help ensure resources are spent on effective tactics, ultimately improving ROI and campaign success. Example, for instance, Google Analytics can show us the volume of traffic to each page, the rate at which visitors convert into leads our customers, and the bounce rate for different pages. These insights enable us to make informed adjustment to our campaigns and content for better performance. User experience and mobile optimization. User experience encompasses the overall experience a user has when interacting with a website, covering aspects like usability, design, accessibility, and emotional responses. Mobile optimization ensures the website performs smoothly across all devices, especially on smartphones. Key elements: first is navigation. Effective navigation is a foundational for a good user experience. If user can't find information quickly, they may become frustrated and leave. Ensuring clear logical pathway through the site makes it more user friendly and help keeps visitors engaged. Second, load speed. Page load speed is crucial for maintaining user engagement. Studies how the user expect pages to load within 3 seconds. Beyond that, bounce rates can increase significantly. By optimizing for speed, we enhance the user experience and improve retention rates. Number 3, mobile responsiveness. With the rise of mobile usage, ensuring websites are fully responsive across devices is essential. Google's mobile fast indexing prioritizes mobile friendly sites, meaning that mobile optimization does not just improve user experience, it also can boost search ranking. Impact. Uh, Prioritizing UX and mobile optimization has a direct impact on engagement and conversions. A user-friendly mobile responsive site keeps user engaged, reduces bounce rate, and ultimately improves conversions, which is why these elements are essential for online success. Content control and CEO practice. Content is relevant, informative, and engaged, crafted to meet the need of your audience and encourage interaction with CEO. Search engine optimization practices ensure this content is easily discoverable by search engine. Key components: content strategy. A strong content strategy keeps audience coming back by providing values, Regular updates such as blogs and multimedia ensure fresh, engaging content that meet user needs and enhancing their experience. Content that resonates is also more likely to be shared, amplifying reach. SEO focus area. As effective SEO start with understanding what users are searching for, which, which is where keyword research comes in. Optimizing each page with relevant keywords, meta tags, headers, and alt text help search engines understanding your contents, while quality backlinks boost credibility and enhancing visibility. Impacts are finally content quality and SEO work hand in hand. Valuable content builds trust and authority in your field, while optimized SEO practices improve search visibility. Together, they drive engagement and enhance organic traffic, making these elements essential for online growth. Load speed optimization. Optimizing load speed is essential for creating fast loading websites, which are crucial for enhancing user experience and improving search engine ranking. Best practice: Manifying code involves removing unnecessary spaces and characters from HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files. This practice can significantly reduce file size, allowing pages to load faster and improving the overall site experience. Use browser caching. Browser caching enables to storage for certain elements locally on users' devices, which means that returning visitors experience faster loads time as they don't need to be re-download the same content every time they visit the site. MT CDN content delivery network. A CDN distributes website content across multiple servers around the world so user can access data from a server closer to them, reducing latency and enhancing load speed regardless of location. Impacts: website load speed directly affects user engagement and search ranking. Slow sites lead to frustration and higher bounce rates, while faster loading page improve retention, increase search visibility, and create a better overall experience for users. Clear call to action. CTA. A CTA is a prompt that encourages user to take a specific action such as sign up or buy now. Characteristics: clarity. CTAs should use clear, straightforward language so user immediately understand the action required. For example, phrases like sign up now or buy today makes next step obvious. Visibility. A CTA should be visually distinct to catch user eyes. This can be achieved by using contrasting color, larger buttons, and placing it in a prompt areas on the page. Urgency. Adding a sense of urgency to CTA likes offer and soon can motivate user to act immediately, reducing hesitation and increasing conversion potential. Tip: A/B testing. A/B testing CTA helps identify which language, color, or placement drive the most conversions, providing insight into user preferences and optimizing the overall impact. Analytical tool. Clear call to action. Analytic tool track user behavior, providing insight to optimize website performance and refine marketing strategy. Google Analytics offers detailed data on who your visitors are, where they are coming from, and what they are doing on your site. This data help you understand audience demographic and refine your marketing tactics. Hotjar complements traditional analytics by showing user behavior visually with heat maps and recordings. This insight reveal how users scroll, click, and move around the site, highlighting potential area of improvement. Purpose: analytical tool provides actionable data on user interaction. Leveraging these insights enable you to refine user experience, optimize content, and improve conversion rate based on real user behavior. How search engine works: history and evaluation. 1990s early search engines, Archive and AltaVista and others. In 1990s, search engine like Archive and AltaVista indexed files and allowed for keyword searches but lacked relevance based sorting. 1998, Google and the revolution. PageRank was a game changer because it prioritized web pages based on the quality and quantities of the backlinks, setting a new standard for relevance in search engines. 2000 onward, modern search engines moved beyond simple keywords matching to focus on contextual understanding through natural language processes, and machine language and AI help improve search results continuously by understanding user intent. Shift to mobile first indexing is responsive to growing mobile traffic. Modern evaluation: as search engines evolved, they began to focus on understanding user intent rather than just matching keywords. NLP and machine learning improved search accuracy with the rise of mobile browsing. Google transition to mobile first indexing, emphasizing an importance of mobile friendly websites in search ranking. For Google search algorithm, key ranking factors, PageRank. While the specific working of PageRank are no longer disclosed, it remains a foundational part of Google's algorithm, measuring authority through backlinks from trusted source. Relevance and user intent. Google aims to understand what users mean by their searches, not just the keyword they use. This shift focuses on providing results that satisfy user intent. Content quality and usability. Website with high quality relevant content, good structure and user friendly navigation are rewarded. Usability factors such as mobile responsiveness and load speed also play a significant role. User behavior. Google track user signals like how long visitors stay on site and whether they click through on the other pages, using this data to refine ranking. Key algorithm updates chronicle Panda. The Panda updates address the problem of low quality duplicated content that cluttered search results before 2011. Panda penalized these low quality sites, pushing those with unique, valuable content higher in ranking. Google's goal with Panda was to improve user experience by prioritizing websites that offer relevant, informative, and original content. Penguin Penguin crackdown or manipulate backlinks practices like link frames and paid backlinks and artificially boosted site authority. Google wanted to foster a more trustworthy internet by promoting credible organic links, rewarding sites that naturally earn backlinks through high quality contents. Hummingbird introduced a focus on user intent, helping Google understand the broader meaning behind search queries rather than just matching keywords. For example, when users search for back places to visit in fall, Google understands this is a travel related query focusing on destinations for the autumn season. This shift improved search accuracy, allowing Google to provide results that better met user expectation. BERT represented a breakthrough of Google's natural languages understanding, especially for complex conversational searches. It enabled Google to interpret more non-searches like how to manage a bank account with a no monthly fees by understanding the whole question and returning more relevant results. BERT's update was essential in Google's evolution toward more human-like comprehension for search queries. Future trends in digital marketing, voice searching optimization. The rise of voice activated technology is transforming search behavior. People no longer need to type, making voice search especially appealing for quick on the go inquiries. For digital marketer, adopting to this shift means understanding how users naturally phrase question in conversations. Key trends: conversational search queries. When people speak to their devices, they use conversational tone, which means SEO strategies need to reflect this natural language. This includes incorporating longer question-based keywords that match how people would actually speak. Feature snappers optimization. Feature snap, also known as a position zero, are what voice assistant often need back to user to capitalize on voice searches current trend to be concise, directly and structured to answer common questions, making it more likely to be selected as a feature snipe. Local zero for voices. Since a high volume of voice searches are location based, local zero is essential. Local SEO is essential. Businesses need to ensure their online listings are updated with accurate location information and keywords relevant to nearby user who might searches for their services or products. Impact on marketing. Why searches require a shift in keyword strategy instead of focusing only on short keywords. Marketers should target long tail keywords that reflect common questions user might ask out loud. This appear ensure visibility and relevance, particularly as more people use voice searches for hands-free convenience. AI and machine learning future trends in digital marketing. AI and machine learning are transforming how marketers understand and interact with customers, making campaigns more precise and efficient. Key trends are personalization on scale. AI makes personalization scalable, allowing tailored experience for each user, which keeps engagement high and drive conversions. Predictive analytics. Predictive analytics shifts marketing from reactive to proactive, helping marketers anticipate and meet customer needs more efficiently. Chatbots and virtual assistants. Chatbots are essential for efficient customer services, providing instant response and freeing up human resources for more complex tasks. Impact on marketing. AI-driven tools enhance marketing by automating tasks, improving customer engagement, and optimizing ROI. Social commerce and influencer marketing. Future trend in digital marketing. Social commerce and influencer marketing simplify the customer journey, combining discovery and purchase within one platform. Key trends are in shopping. In-app shopping minimize friction in the buying process, appealing to mobile focus audience. Shop, shoppable posts and stories. Shoppable posts streamline the path from discovery to purchase, encouraging impulsive buys and simplifying the shopping process. Influencing marketing. Influencers add credibility to brand messages, enhancing reach and trust with highly engaged audience. Impact on marketing. These trends enhance the online shopping experience, making it more engaging, immediate, and credible.